MetaPerson Avatars let you exist in the 3D world. Want to give your avatar not only appearance, but also your movements? Use DeepMotion to animate 3D to create animations from video. In this video tutorial, we will guide you through the process of generating skeletal animations for your MetaPerson avatar. We will also provide step-by-step instructions on seamlessly importing these animations into Unreal Engine, ensuring that your virtual character comes to life with fluid and realistic movements. First, download the MetaPerson Unreal Sample project from our official GitHub. Extract and run it. For more details, check the Unreal Engine tutorial on our YouTube channel. Export the template MetaPerson skeletal mesh to your disk. We'll use it as a target character for our DeepMotion animations. Now, open the DeepMotion website. You will need to create an account to proceed with creating animations. If you already have one, sign in and launch the Animate 3D portal. Now let's upload our MetaPerson skeletal mesh. When the 3D model is uploaded, let's start working on the animation. Click Create and select the MetaPerson skeletal mesh as your target. Then, upload a video to capture the animation and set the recommended animation settings that you see on the screen. Click the Create Animation button to continue creating an animation with the specified parameters. When the animation is ready, download the result in the FBX format. Unzip the downloaded archive with animations. Choose the FBX file that does not include T-pose and drag it to your Unreal Project content browser. Select the MetaPerson skeleton in the import settings. Check your settings to ensure plugin content isn't blocked. Make sure that the Import Animations option is checked. The Snap to Closest Frame boundary option should be also enabled. After a few moments of anticipation, your animation is finally prepared and ready to be utilized with the MetaPerson avatars. The avatars, now equipped with your animation, are set to embark on a new journey, interacting and engaging in a virtual world filled with endless possibilities. Thank you for your attention. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to the Avatar SDK channel to stay updated with our latest video tutorials.